Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can update your MacBook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the MacBook. So as you can see, I have already opened it. So what we need to do, we have to click on this Apple logo. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to click on the about this Mac. So let's click on this. So as you can see, this is open. Now, if you want to check out the system configuration, you can also do that, like the overview, display, and the storage, and all the things are provided here. So basically, we have to go to the overview, and after going to the overview, we need to click on the software update. As you can see, has an option for the software update. So let's click on this. So it's checking for the software update. So we have to wait a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's loading. It will show us the latest version of the software. As you can see, all the things are provided, like the upgrade. Now, if you want to upgrade now, you can also do that, and automatically keep on my Mac update. You can also click on this option. So if you want to update it, simply you have to click on this, and it will start downloading. It will take few seconds, and your software will be updated. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can update your MacBook OS. So see you guys in the next video.